Did you know that bananas are one of the most popular fruits in the world, not just for their taste but for their health benefits too? From boosting energy to supporting digestion, bananas have a lot to offer, but there are a few things to watch out for. In today's video, we'll dive into the benefits, potential downsides, and tips for getting the most out of bananas. Plus, I'll share a quick and delicious banana recipe at the end. Let's start with the benefits of bananas. One of the biggest advantages is that bananas are a rich source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and support heart health. A medium banana contains about 400 milligrams of potassium, which is around 10% of your daily needs. Bananas are also great for digestive health because they're high in fiber, especially a type called pectin. This fiber not only aids digestion but also helps keep you feeling full longer, which can be beneficial if you're managing your weight. And let's not forget the vitamins. Bananas contain a good amount of vitamin C for immune support, as well as vitamin B6, which plays a role in brain health and energy production. Bananas are also a great source of quick energy, making them a favorite among athletes and anyone looking for a healthy snack on the go. While bananas have many health benefits, there are a few things to consider. One of the main concerns is their sugar content. Bananas are relatively high in natural sugars, which can cause a spike in blood sugar levels if eaten in large amounts or without other sources of fiber, fat, or protein. For people managing diabetes or blood sugar levels, it's best to eat bananas in moderation or pair them with protein or healthy fat, like a handful of nuts. Another consideration is that bananas are high in carbs. While these carbs provide quick energy, they may not be ideal for those following a low-carb diet. And finally, if you're prone to migraines, you may want to avoid eating bananas in excess. They contain small amounts of tyramine, which can sometimes trigger migraines in sensitive individuals. So, how can you enjoy bananas and get all the benefits without the downsides? Here are a few simple tips. First, pair bananas with a protein or healthy fat, like yogurt, peanut butter, or a handful of nuts. This helps balance blood sugar levels and keeps you full longer. Second, consider eating bananas when they're slightly green if you're looking to limit sugar. Green bananas have more resistant starch, which is good for digestion and has a lower glycemic impact. And finally, use bananas in smoothies, as a natural sweetener in baked goods, or as a quick snack to fuel your workouts. Whether they're ripe or green, bananas are versatile and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. In summary, bananas are a nutritious and delicious fruit that can boost heart health, digestion, and energy levels. Just remember to enjoy them in moderation if you're watching your blood sugar, and pair them with other foods for a balanced snack. How do you like to eat your bananas? Let me know in the comments below. And as promised, here's a quick recipe. Try a banana and oats smoothie. Just blend a banana with a handful of oats, a scoop of yogurt, a splash of almond milk, and a pinch of cinnamon for a tasty, filling snack. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for more food breakdowns and healthy eating tips. See you next time!